Okay, Arif, tell me, what are you going to do now? Transformer. You are going. Is it a transformer? No, you were saying it something different.
What are we going to do?
As you tell me, what is this? What is this?
But it looks like a scissor.
This is look like a scissor, but it is a clamp.
This lamp is for
Yes.
transform.
This is a science project. Don't you remember?
Science project.
Science project.
Science
Science
project.
project. Now we are going to put all these things together. Then we will light it on, the bulb and the fan. Okay?
Then we will open it.
Yes. Then we will open it. आज हमें एक साइंस प्रोजेक्ट मिला एक शॉप से, तो वो हम लेकर आए हैं। उसमें बेसिकली कुछ एक मोटर है और कुछ बैटरी वगैरह है और शायद साथ बल्ब भी है। और इससे हम अब आरिफ को यही सिखाएंगे, आरिफ और शहीर को, कि इन चीज़ों को कैसे आपस में जोड़ना है। What?
Can I also speak to them?
Yes, you can speak.
We are doing that activity.
What activity is this?
Activities. She don't open it.
What activity is this?
This project.
This is project. Which project?
Our project.
This is a science project.
This is science project.
So we are going to put together all these things and we are going to turn on the light bulb and the fan motor. Activity, Shahir. Which activity is this?
This Mama.
Okay, Arif, open it.
Okay.
Okay, slowly and carefully. Yes, so that it does not spoil all the things. Now let me take it out. Yes, now slowly and carefully, otherwise all the things will be spread out here. Let me take it out.
These are.
Yes.
This one.
Okay.
And I will get
So-
this now. Can I get them out myself?
Yes. Wait.
They got it out. Yes, Mama.
Okay. We have got 11 things in this project.
Yes.
One is Arif. Look here. One is this is a battery buoy
Yeah.
in which we put batteries.
Yes.
And we get current from this battery.
Yes.
Okay, the other is current clamp. These are the current clamp. We connect this current clamp on one side with the battery and other side
Yes,
with the
Yes,
bulb or the
Yes,
motor, so that the bulb and motor are turned on. Okay, listen, Shahid. Now we have one bulb here and we have one switch, the button that is used to turn on and off the bulbs and this fan motor, and then we have lamp.
That's like that was fan water, that green fan water, that broke, and it was like that.
Which green fan motor?
Yeah, that was broken.
Okay.
Green fan.
When it was broken?
That time in night.
That time in night, I don't remember. What are you referring to? Okay. Now there is another thing, that is lamp holder. This is a lamp holder. We put this bulb in this lamp holder.
Then look at this light bulb here.
Yes, this is the lamp holder. Now another is battery. This is the battery. This is basically a AA size battery with 1.5 volts. And we have a nail. This is nail here.
Yeah.
And then we have some copper wire.
Yes.
This is a copper wire.
Yes.
And then some paper clips. This is a paper clip. And
Yes.
then mini fan. This is a mini fan. And this
Yes.
is a mini motor here. So now we are going to put together these things,
Yeah.
and first we will turn on this motor, then we will turn on the bulb, then we will turn them on together. Okay.
Now
Okay.
can I take it
Okay. Yes. Now take first battery boy. This
Take it this, Baba.
you can take this.
Can I take this?
Yes, you can take it out and put it here. Yes. Now unroll these wires
Okay.
slowly and carefully so that the wires are not break.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Now we have unrolled the wires. Now take this battery from here. Put it from here. Yes. Now put it inside this battery boy. The other side you are putting it in. Yes. Put it like this. Yes. Press it.
This
Yes.
is my seed.
Okay. Now we have to put this button.
Baba,
Okay.
give me.
You take it. Now take this wire. Yes, from here. Yes, take this wire. Yes. Now take this wire. Yes, and hold this in your hand. Yes. Now put this
Wire in the
button
hole.
from like this. Yes. Now I will roll it here so that it does not
Go away.
go away. Yes. Now take another red wire from here. Yes, take this. Yes. Now pull this plastic away. Pull this plastic away. Yeah. Now take this button again. Okay. In your right hand, take it in your right hand. Yes, take it in your left hand. Now put this in this hole. Okay. Yes. Very. Now take, this is a black wire, you have to put black clamp on it. Where is black clamp? This is red clamp, where is black clamp? Yes, take it. Yes, now take off this plastic.
I can't.
Place it here. Okay, now take this and put it in the lamp holder.
Where?
Screw it in the lamp holder. This is the lamp holder.
This one?
Yes. Take it. Yes. Screw it. Very good. Yes. Done. Done. Now take this from here. Yes. Now put this black. Press it from here. Can you press it?
No.
Press it from here like this.
Mom, I'm the person. I might see this.
No, you can't do it.
No,
Okay, let me do it
no.
for you. Now you have to turn on this button. Press it. Yes, the light is turned on. You turned on the little light that is for you.
Can I take it?
No, if yes, you can take it from here. Okay. Now you can turn it off from here. Yes.
Turn it on.
You come here and turn it on.
She come and turn it on.
No, put it here, put it here. Now Shay, come here. Shay, come on this side. Yes, come here. Turn it on from here. Yes, press it. Press it hard. Yes, you turned on
Now
the
it's my
light. Yes, now you turn it off. Okay, now that you have done the lamp experiment, now we are going to do the fan experiment.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.